Welcome back to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Inside of this video right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a unique value proposition and what that is for your very own digital dropshipping brand. So let's go ahead, hop on my computer and get started. So here's the deal with unique value propositions. We live in a world where general products don't have a ton of perceived value, but the good thing is that we're selling in a niche that has lots of pain points, whether that's within health, wealth, relationships, or happiness, and we can angle those products however we choose to do so. So right now what we're going to do inside of this video is build a unique value proposition based around our product. So instead of me selling, as an example, the beginner's breathwork PDF, we're going to sell something that really catches the attention of our market and generates curiosity, because we need to make our product more valuable so that we can actually charge more. And it's also proven by data that the more a customer spends on something is the more committed and invested they're actually going to be into getting as much use out of it as possible. So think for an example, if you buy a $100 nice steak at a dinner restaurant, you're going to enjoy that thing and really cherish it. Compared to a hamburger from McDonald's, you might just slam the thing down the hatch and call it a day and move on. So in this three-step process right now, what we're going to do is find our unique value proposition that's going to allow for us to make a lot more money than if we just sold a general niche product. And before we get into these three steps, I want you to think about a real-life example that you can relate to, and that's this program. If I made this program and just named it e-commerce course, it's not very interesting. Anybody can make an e-commerce course, but if I have digital dropshipping mastery where I'm talking about a very specific niche and a very specific method that I can provide value in and teach you how to do yourself, it's much more valuable. So let's go ahead and